Cavities could be a worry if you enjoy sweet foods and gooey chocolates. Damage to your teeth, known as cavities, is what causes tooth decay to begin. The combination of bacteria, acid, food particles, and saliva results in plaque, which adheres to your teeth and erodes the enamel. When you eat carbohydrates and let those items sit around in your mouth for an extended period of time, cavities, those annoying holes in your teeth, are the result of this. It can cause a serious illness that could spread to other areas of your body if untreated. Did you know that at least one cavity affects 90% of persons over the age of 20? That is correct. One of the most frequent health conditions causing a lot of people to miss work or school is cavities. People frequently experience fear or anxiety before having dental work done. Many people find it intimidating to be in a dental chair while dealing with needles. What is the exit, though? Obviously, good dental hygiene. And that's what today's video is all about. So read on to the very end to learn some useful information about cavities. Let's begin by discussing what causes cavities. Your preferred sugary snacks are first on our list. The main contributor to dental caries is sugary foods. According to studies, people who have dental cavities frequently consume more dietary sugar than non-caries people. The bacteria in your mouth make acid as they break down sugars to speed up the process, but doing so also erodes the enamel of your teeth. Additionally, the dentin, which makes up the majority of your tooth and is located beneath the enamel, gets demineralized by this acid. This erosion intensifies with time and eventually creates a hole or cavity. While sugar is necessary for the production of energy, the majority of health problems, including cavities, are attracted to it due to its relatively higher consumption. Where does the additional sugar come from, then? The majority of your excess sugar consumption is caused by unhealthy food selections such as desserts, cakes, cookies, sweetened cereals, sweetened yogurt, and honey syrups. Even your favorite drinks, such fruit juices, energy drinks, and beverages sweetened with milk, are loaded with sugar. Try to restrict your intake of processed sugar and avoid overindulging in sugary treats that might cause cavities. Poor oral health. Poor dental hygiene leads to cavities. Do you know why it's important to frequently brush and floss if you've heard this advice before? To remove the plaque is the straightforward response to that. Plaque is a sticky matrix that gathers at the gum line and serves as a bacterial host. When you don't wash your teeth on a regular basis, the plaque builds up and may even extend across the entire stretch, which can cause tooth decay. Gingivitis, a gum disease characterized by irritability, redness, swelling, and periodontitis, is attracted by poor oral hygiene. The loss of teeth and other health issues can result from severe gum infections. Does your mouth feel dry? Wet mouth. You wouldn't believe how quickly dental cavities are brought on by dry mouth. Studies have demonstrated that cavities are worse by xerostomia, a condition when your salivary glands do not generate enough saliva. It frequently manifests as oral dryness, swallowing issues, and taste changes. Saliva can also help you avoid gum disease and oral infections, according to studies, and it can prevent cavities. Yet how? It's easy. A small layer of saliva covers your teeth, acting as a barrier against bacteria to stop them from eroding your teeth and creating cavities. Additionally, saliva removes potentially hazardous bacteria and food debris from your teeth. Saliva swipes away the tiniest food particles to stop bacterial growth since they serve as a breeding environment for the organisms that can feed on them and flourish. Additionally, saliva balances the acid in your mouth, another factor in tooth decay. Saliva is a restorative agent that remineralizes your teeth by mending the outer protective layer with the aid of calcium, phosphorus, and fluorides, even if acid damages your enamel. Your teeth will remain robust and cavity-resistant in this way. Saliva is more than just water in your mouth since it contains the essential lysozyme enzyme, which supports the health of your teeth. This enzyme stops the tooth decay, causing germs from doing any harm by attacking their protective barriers. To help your saliva do its job and safeguard your pearly whites, keep your mouth moist. Have you ever questioned why you occasionally have bad morning breath? Here's an odd fact. While you sleep, your body produces less saliva, allowing germs to grow and give you terrible breath. That's true. It may cause chaos in your mouth as you catch some Z's if there isn't enough saliva to keep your bacteria under control. How therefore may cavities be avoided in the first place? Manage your sugar intake. Controlling your sugar intake is now necessary. You don't have to completely give up those delicious sugary foods just because it may be bad for your tooth health. Instead, cutting back on foods high in sugar is an easy way to solve this issue. Did you know that keeping your sugar consumption to 10% or even 5% of your entire energy requirements will help prevent dental caries for the rest of your life? Therefore, the next time you have a sweet tooth, limit yourself to one dessert rather than two to maintain the health and happiness of your teeth. Do you find it difficult to limit your sugar intake? One option to make it simpler is to switch to foods with less sugar. Choose freshly squeezed or whole fruit blends rich with critical vitamins and minerals instead than prepackaged fruit juices. Fruits are not only lower in calories, but they also stimulate the salivary glands and increase salivation, which is essential for guarding against tooth disease. Consider eating snacks in moderation. Moderate snacking. It turns out that reducing your munching can benefit your dental health. Snacking continuously all day long can be bad for your teeth. It causes tooth enamel loss and cavities by maintaining your mouth in an acidic environment for an extended period of time. Your teeth are left susceptible to decay while this acidic medium is neutralized and your normal pH levels are restored. While it may be tempting to snack on chips or other foods all day, it's crucial to keep in mind that even modest amounts of food can cause your mouth to produce acid. Try to minimize your snacking instead, and select wholesome foods that are simple to digest and don't need a lot of acids to break them down. The best options are whole foods with lots of fiber and calcium-rich foods like milk, cheese, and yogurt, which can assist to mineralize your teeth. Additionally, remember to rinse your mouth clean after meals to get rid of food particles and avoid plaque development. With proper oral hygiene, it's time to say goodbye to cavities. Good oral care. Many of us fail to practice good oral hygiene, although this is essential to prevent cavities. It's important to brush your teeth twice a day, especially before night. Regularly using floss or mouthwash to clean in between your teeth is as vital. It's important to take your time when cleaning because brushing incorrectly might be just as useless as not brushing at all. So, take your time, gently scrub the regions with your brush in a circular motion. You don't want any signs of the plaque to remain, do you? Use a tongue cleanser to exfoliate your tongue as well. This would get rid of the food waste and stop plaque buildup from happening. It also affects what toothpaste you use. Regardless of flavor or kind, you must choose fluoride-containing toothpaste while selecting the proper one. Your teeth become stronger and more mineralized when you use toothpaste with fluoride. According to studies, these toothpastes not only stop cavities from developing but also stop them from occurring. Use fluoride toothpaste to help stop dental cavities from getting worse if you already have a lot of them. Avoid letting your mouth dry out. Do not let your mouth dry out. Dehydration may cause a dry mouth, so drink lots of water. You must stay away from specific dehydration causes, including 1. Smoking. According to studies, tobacco usage might induce dry mouth and hydration issues. But giving up smoking can help you get your mouth's fluid equilibrium back, and you'll be able to prevent dental cavities better. 2. Drinking alcohol. Yes, you heard correctly. Multiple studies have demonstrated that alcohol induces immediate dehydration. If you don't drink enough water when drinking alcohol, your mouth will likely dry out quickly and you'll be more likely to get cavities. Therefore, drinking in moderation and maintaining a healthy water-to-alcohol ratio are recommendations made by doctors. Avoid using mouthwashes that contain alcohol as well because they can make the issue worse. 3. Too much caffeine. While modest amounts are generally safe, we cannot completely rule out the potential of a connection between excessive caffeine intake and dehydration. Avoid drinking too much caffeine to protect your teeth from deterioration. In addition to drinking adequate water, you should speak with your doctor to find out whether any of the medications you take cause dry mouth and request effective treatments. They typically suggest eating xylitol-containing sugar-free gums to increase saliva production and prevent dental cavities. Even while implementing these habits will help prevent cavities, you still need to schedule routine visits with your dentist. Healthy teeth increase your charisma and confidence, but did you know that there are other things that make a person appear more endearing? Young, healthy skin. Tell us in the comments section below.